Imagine getting energy out of an empty vacuum. Sounds ridiculous, right? It violates everything we know about physics, including the first law of thermodynamics. You cannot create energy. What if I told you it was possible on a quantum scale?
Quantum energy teleportation explained. Imagine you have two physicists, Bob and Joe. Bob and Joe both have V's, quantumly entangled particles. These are particles that have been linked in such a way that a state change in a single one of them will immediately result in a similar change in the other. Bob and Joe both take their particles and move far away from each other. They then supercool their particles to near absolute zero to bring them to their ground state, the lowest amount of energy they can hold. These conditions mean that the particle is suspended in a quantum vacuum. You're probably wondering what's so different about a quantum vacuum. It probably contains nothing, right? No. On a quantum scale, Bob's particle exists as a high-energy point in a quantum field, a peak that gives it mass. In the ground state, the peak doesn't exist, but fluctuations in the field still mean that there is energy, zero-point energy. This happens due to Heisenberg. Now that Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, where zero energy means zero momentum, which makes momentum a constant, which shouldn't be known because then position can be known at the same time, which is impossible. Bob can use this to his advantage though. Bob gives an energy packet to his particle. The particle absorbs the energy, raising it slightly above ground state. This causes fluctuations in certain parts of the field to increase beyond the zero-point energy. Bob observes this, calls up Joe immediately, and tells him the location of the increased fluctuations. When Joe tries to extract the energy from that point, he surprisingly gets the exact same amount as Bob's original energy packet. The energy has teleported. The entanglement acts as a sort of tunnel for Joe to extract energy from Bob's particle, provided Joe knows the exact coordinate from Bob's field.
Spooky action in the distance.
Physics!